Bisi Kolawole has emerged as the People's Democratic Party (PDP) candidate in the June 18 governorship election in Ekiti State. Kolawole, a former chairman of the PDP in Ekiti, edged out Segun Oni, an ex-governor, and Kolapo Olusola, a former deputy governor of the state, at the primary election that took place in Ado-Ekiti on Wednesday. Kolawole had resigned his position as Ekiti PDP chairman to contest the governorship election. He was a preferred aspirant of Fayose, former governor of the state. Kolawole is a former lawmaker representing Efon constituency in the State House of Assembly. He also served as Commissioner of Environment between 2015 and 2018. While endorsing Kolawole for the governorship election, Fayose had described him as a bridge builder who will usher in a better future for Ekiti and the PDP. Biodun Olujimi, the senator representing Ekiti South, had pulled out of the race earlier in the day, accusing the party of disenfranchising her. The delegates first converged at the Pastoral Center in Ado-Ekiti to get accredited, after which they moved to the Great Eagle Hall for the voting exercise. Governor Emmanuel Udom of Akwa Ibom State chaired the Ekiti Primary Election Committee.
And in the entire Congress, we had 13 aspirants. Akerele had no votes. Oluwatoyin Arogundade, no votes. Adekemi Adewumi, 1 vote. Deborah Along, 1 vote. Latif Ajijola, 1 vote. Olukemi Olumide Ojo, 1 vote. Biodun Olujimi, 2 votes. Ayodeji Kazim, 6 votes. Kayode Adaramotu, 10 votes. Adewale Aribisala, 56 votes. Olusola Kolapo, 13 votes. Olusola Kolapo, 93 votes, 93 votes. Olusola Kolapo, 93 votes. Olusegun Oni, 330 votes. Bisi Kolawole, 671 votes. Total, then void votes 13. Total, that brings the total number of votes cast to 1,185. Number accredited, 1,208. Accredited voters, 1,208. Those who voted, including void votes, 1,185. Looking at our constitution, I hereby say that Bisi Kolawole, having satisfied the provisions of the constitution of our party, is hereby, through simple majority, scoring 671 votes, and that 671 votes, being the highest vote, is hereby declared as the winner of this party. Without much ado, I want to congratulate other aspirants who have shown so much sportsmanship so far. I also want to make an appeal. Please, it is an internal affair of our party. And no matter what we have to do, we will go back home and meet amongst ourselves. And I will appreciate if we all join hands together to work as a team. I know fully well that when we go to the general election, it's about PDP and not just an individual. To give us whether he wants to reject the result or accept the result. Chairman of this committee, this competent committee, led by a very clear character in person of Governor Udom. All the members of the committee, these are credible set of people, and they made the whole process very clear. I want to willingly accept the result of that election. The result has been very clear. The process has been very clear, credible, and it makes everybody happy. And I'm very sure members of our party, our leaders are very happy because we have promised that once the process is very open and fair to all, that they will all accept the result.
As members of the PDP, within the limits of what is transferable, to get Bisi Kolawole to the governorship of Ekiti State.
Would you say we are satisfied with the process?
Satisfied with the
please, all the agent, please.
Satisfied with the process,
please.
We are not complaining. Okay? I'm sure you guys are here. You saw it all.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.